This isn't much of a tutorial because I'm pretty sure most people have at least a vague idea of what Shrinky Dinks are and how to use them, but it is seasonally appropriate and I thought it might be fun to share. I used one of my Inktober pages as the basis for these earrings, and I feel I have to apologize to any ornithologists out there for any glaring anatomical inaccuracies, but I could not for the life of me remember if birds had scapula or not. Also, I learned bird pelvises are super weird looking, like way too weird for me to even attempt to draw properly. But one of the advantages of working with Shrinky Dinks is that when you shrink your image down, you also shrink your flaws, which is why I love them. I find it very helpful to work against a dark background when I'm using white colored pencils so I can actually see what I'm doing because white on white is pretty much invisible. When compared to the original, you do lose a little bit of detail with the colored pencils, but once it's shrunk down to 30% of the original size, it really doesn't matter. Once you're done drawing, you can cut them out and punch any necessary holes. I prefer an 1/8 inch hole punch because I think it looks more delicate when shrunk down. Uh-oh, got a little bit close to the edge there. That's gonna cause problems. Hopefully it will resolve itself and not be too big of an issue. Oops, I goofed. And then they come out all tiny and adorable, if dead birds can be said to be adorable. Since I was making these as a gift for someone who has a history of being a little rough on their jewelry, I tried sealing them for the first time. Hopefully they'll last a little bit longer. I'm just making this worse. Oh my god, it's really hard to get an even coat. Maybe I should have used a smaller brush. I have around 10 minutes of me fumbling around with the hardware, and none of the footage is terribly helpful or instructive. Regardless, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're celebrating, I hope you have a wonderful Halloween. Yeah, I think I like that. I think those are cute.